Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom fields in Jira. Custom fields are a great way to capture project-specific information, making your workflows more organized and helping your team track exactly what matters. To get started, head over to Jira and click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From there, navigate to Issues. Once you're in the Issues section, look for Fields and then select Custom Fields. This is where you'll manage all your custom fields. Next, locate the Create Custom Field button in the top right corner and click it. You'll see a variety of field types to choose from, including text, number, date, dropdown, and more. Think about the type of data your team needs to collect and select the field type that fits best. After selecting the field type, click Next. You'll then be prompted to give your custom field a name. Make it clear and concise so that anyone on your team can understand its purpose at a glance. You can also add a description to provide additional context or instructions, which helps ensure consistent data entry. Depending on the field type you chose, you may need to configure extra settings, like adding options for a dropdown or setting a default value. Take your time here. These details will make the field more useful for your team. Once you've set everything up, click Create to finalize your custom field. And that's it. Your custom field is now active and ready to use. This simple addition can help your team collect the right data efficiently and keep your projects organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.